Hello, sports enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of nutrition and fitness. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: fueling for different sports. Whether you're a runner, cyclist, weightlifter, or even a swimmer, understanding the right nutrition considerations for your specific activity is key to reaching your peak performance. So, let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about endurance sports such as running and cycling. These activities require sustained energy over a prolonged period. To fuel your performance, carbohydrates play a crucial role. Carbohydrates are your body's preferred energy source as they are easily converted into glucose, providing fuel for your muscles and brain. Complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are excellent choices. They provide a steady release of energy and help avoid crashes during your workout. Additionally, they are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health and well-being. When it comes to endurance sports, it's important to understand the concept of glycogen. Glycogen is the stored form of glucose in your muscles and liver. To maximize glycogen stores, it's recommended to consume a carbohydrate-rich meal or snack before your workout. This will help ensure that your body has an adequate supply of fuel to sustain your activity. Good pre-workout options include oatmeal, whole grain toast with nut butter, or a banana. During longer endurance activities, it's essential to replenish glycogen stores to maintain energy levels. Consuming easily digestible carbohydrates during your workout, such as energy gels, sports drinks, or even dried fruits, can provide a quick source of fuel to keep you going. Moving on to strength-based sports like weightlifting and powerlifting, the focus shifts to optimizing muscle growth, strength, and recovery. Protein becomes a key nutrient in this context. Protein is composed of amino acids, which are the building blocks of muscle tissue. During strength training, your muscles undergo micro-tears that need to be repaired and rebuilt. Consuming an adequate amount of protein helps in this recovery process and promotes muscle growth. Research suggests that athletes engaged in strength-based sports may benefit from a higher protein intake compared to the general population. Aim for about 1.22 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Good sources of protein include lean meats like chicken, turkey, and fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, and plant-based protein sources like tofu and tempeh. While protein is essential, it's important not to neglect carbohydrates and healthy fats. Carbohydrates provide the necessary energy for intense workouts, and healthy fats contribute to hormone production and overall cellular function. Including complex carbohydrates like sweet potatoes and brown rice and healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and seeds can support your performance and overall health. Now, let's take a plunge into water sports, specifically swimming. Swimming is a full-body workout that requires both strength and endurance. Hydration is crucial in this activity as the water's cooling effect may mask the signs of dehydration. Proper hydration ensures optimal performance, helps maintain body temperature, and supports cardiovascular function. Before diving into the pool, make sure you're well hydrated by consuming water throughout the day leading up to your swim. During your swim, consider sipping on water, sports drinks, or coconut water to replenish lost fluids and electrolytes. These drinks can help prevent cramping and maintain proper muscle function. In addition to hydration, fueling up with easily digestible carbohydrates before your swim can provide a quick source of energy. Bananas, energy gels, or even a small bowl of oatmeal can be good options. After your swim, it's important to refuel with a balanced meal containing protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to aid in muscle recovery and replenish energy stores. Last but not least, let's touch upon team sports such as soccer, basketball, or football. These sports involve a mix of aerobic endurance, agility, and strength. Proper nutrition timing becomes essential to ensure sustained energy levels throughout the game or practice. Fuel up with a balanced meal rich in carbohydrates and protein about 2 to 3 hours before the game or practice. This will give your body enough time to digest and absorb nutrients, providing sustained energy. Aim for a combination of complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, along with lean protein sources like chicken, fish, or beans. During breaks, consider quick snacks like granola bars, fruit, or trail mix to keep your energy levels up and prevent fatigue. These snacks provide a combination of carbohydrates for energy and a small amount of protein to support muscle recovery. Remember, every sport is unique, and individual needs may vary. It's important to experiment and find what works best for you. Factors such as training intensity, duration, and personal preferences should be taken into account when designing your nutrition plan. Don't forget to listen to your body and make adjustments accordingly. If you're unsure about your specific nutritional needs, consulting a registered dietitian or sports nutritionist can provide personalized guidance based on your goals and requirements. Proper nutrition can be a game changer in achieving your athletic goals. By fueling your body with the right nutrients, you provide it with the necessary tools to perform at its best. That's all for today's episode on fueling for different sports. We hope you found this information valuable and insightful. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on nutrition and fitness. Until next time, stay fueled and keep pushing your limits. Take care and happy training.